What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Jocelyn Flores by XXXTentacion. I want to start this video by saying rest in peace to X. His music has inspired millions of people, including myself. He was a musical genius and he was taken from us too soon. He had made his mistakes and he was trying to reconcile for that, and he got taken away before he could. So rest in peace, X. This one's for you. I know I've been away for a little while. I just recently moved to Los Angeles and I haven't really got my spot set up for making videos, as you can see behind me, but I wanted to put this one out for X in his honor, so that's what I did today. That's why we're releasing this one. The song itself is in a weird tuning. What you're going to want to do, the easiest way to get in the right tuning, is download the app called Guitar Tuna. It's Guitartuna. And when you're tuning your guitar, it's going to be in standard tuning, which is what the app will already be set to. And then you're going to tune all of your strings down to -6. So as you're tuning them, you'll see this little icon pop up. It'll tell you that your string is in tune. Tune your strings down to where all of them are at -6. That's -6 semitones, I'm pretty sure. That's what tuning the song is in. If you try and play your guitar in standard tuning, it's not going to sound right because the guitar in the tutorial is tuned down 6 or 7 semitones. So download the app Guitar Tuna, have it set to standard tuning when you're tuning, and then tune all of your strings to -6 on the as it's showing up. If it says that you're in tune, it'll give you like a little green thumbs up. It'll make a little noise. You're going to want to tune down to where it says too low, -6 on each string, and then you'll be good to go. That's the right tuning. Let's jump into the video. This is how you play it. Okay, so for your first chord, you're going index finger on your low E string on your 4th fret. You're going ring finger on your 5th fret on your D string. You're going pinky finger on your 5th fret on your G string, and then you're going your middle finger on your 4th fret on your B string. And for your second chord, you're going index finger on your 1st fret on your A string, and then you're going to go ring finger on your 3rd fret on your D string, pinky finger on your 3rd fret on your G string. That's the easiest way to play it. If you can bar all 3 of those with just your ring finger, that's even better, but if that's too hard, you can just play it with those 3 right there. Alright, so for your picking, on your first chord, you're picking your low E with your thumb. You're going to do your D string with your index finger and your G string with your middle finger. And then the second chord, your fingers, your left hand stays the exact same right where it is in that same chord, but instead of picking the 2 strings with your ring and your middle finger, you move those up 2 strings to where your index is on your G string and your middle is on your B string. So the very first chord you play sounds like this. The second chord sounds like this. Now remember, your left hand is staying the same. You can just keep that same chord, you're just changing the strings that you're picking. And if you want to give it your strings a little tap right there in between like that, that's what they do in the song. It just gives it that little percussion-y feel. Now when you move down to your second chord, you're going to be, your thumb is moving from your low E here down to your A string there. That's what that's going to strum. And then if you're doing the easy version of the chord with just your ring and your pinky finger, you're just going to do those first 3, the A, D, and G. But if you're able to bar the whole chord with your ring finger, you're going to do your ring finger is going to pluck your G string, and your pinky or your index finger is going to pluck your G string, and your middle finger is going to pluck your B string, and your thumb is still going to stay on that A string right there. So all together it sounds like. Now that lead picking part starts on your 5th fret on your G string. You're going to go 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, and then you're going to jump to your 6th fret on your high E string, and then you're going to your 8th fret on your B string. Then you're going back to your 6th fret on your E, and then to your 7th fret on your G. So all together. And then the second part starts just the exact same, 5, 7, 8. And then you're jumping up to your 10th fret on your high E. So 10, 6, 8 on your B string, back to 6 on your E string, and then back to 7 on your G string. So again, that second part. And what I do is I go my index finger on 5, 7, middle finger to 8, pinky to 10. Now that repeats, except for the second time, at the very end of that part, you add your little. So all that is 8 on your B string, to 6 on your B string, to 8 on your G string, to 7 on your G string. And then it starts over. So all together it sounds like this. That's all there is to it. A little bit more difficult of a song. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. My email's in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next video.